Installation took a week and that too after lot of follow-up. Using it for 7 months now. Good product. Good deal. Best refrigerator in the market, value for money got for 18K. Good color and make. Toughened glass used for trays. No cool tray available. Realized it after 2 weeks when I got something which was to be placed in it. Sliding tray is good. Moving ice box is the best. Especially for additional space. Bottle guard not very helpful. Bottles do not stay in place when opened. Had to use the stoppers from my old refrigerator. Overall it's good. Very nice product, value for money. Very good product. I recommend to all of you to buy this product, which is amazing at reasonable price. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Nice product. I will buy 19,000 only. Nice product. Can't say much. Excellent product. Just go for it. I upgraded to double door from single door refrigerator. Fast and on time delivery from Amazon, and so was the unpacking and installation from Samsung. You need call Samsung customer care and schedule the installation request. Thanks to Amazon Great Indian Festival 18, got this fridge in 18. 5K just. Exchange old one in 3. 5K. Delivered on time, everything is good, both the side of the refrigerator is getting got. Hi, refrigerator was good, but see the label date. Label is 2 years old. Best product quality. It's a great purchase for the price. Material is not of cheap. Cooling is pretty good and optimal for a small family. Product is good, but somebody should come for installation. This was actually my first time buying a large appliance online and I was quite nervous. However, the fridge was delivered within the next day, and that too within the time slot. Click link in description for more reviews.